Thank you for tuning in. This is episode 16 of 40 Years, 40 Reasons. Today, we explore another potential measure to help your company operate sustainably by adjusting your workflows and leveraging GibbsCAM. In this episode, we'll discuss some features GibbsCAM offers for working paperlessly. Let me give you an idea of how to minimize paper usage in your workflows. Kick off your project by importing precise digital part models from your customers, complete with PMI dimensioning, so you'll know exactly what you're machining, all without the need for paper drawing. Import tools and tool holders from digital tool libraries and tool management systems. GibbsCAM provides interfaces to tool libraries, including Sandvik Coromant's Coroplus Tool Library, or use a direct interface to a commercial tool management system, including those from TDM Systems and Solar. Provide your machine operators with videos from GibbsCAM's machine simulation so they know exactly what's expected on the machine. Use GibbsCAM's reporter tool to output setup information into Microsoft Excel and send PDFs of the reports directly to your operator or the machine control. Sustainable manufacturing practices help machine shops reduce their environmental impact and the cost of business. Communication through printed documents and drawings is inefficient, costly, and unsustainable. The best solution is to avoid paperwork entirely.